Imagine this. You are about to see a hopefully interesting presentation about renewable energy. The presenter walks into the room and then you see this. But I get it, we've all been there once. Having a long, boring paragraph of text is unfortunately pretty common. Let's take a look at what isn't right on this slide. First of all, this picture is in a very low resolution and contains an unnecessary soft edge effect. As if that wasn't enough, it even overlaps the paragraph, making it almost invisible. This stock image isn't helping us to understand the topic, it doesn't even serve as an illustration. Always try to avoid these types of pictures. This isn't the worst case of a PowerPoint slide, but it needs some improvements. Our first step is to extract the information from the long paragraph. It contains a lot of useful facts and data, but they're being displayed in a wrong way. In the world of presentations, always try to replace text with pictures, animations, a few pieces of information, and graphs. The next step is to visualize the data we have in the paragraph. Google some images that fit your topic until you find one with a simple one-color background. Click on it, and then select its size to bring up all the possible resolutions. Of course, pick the highest one and paste it onto your slide. Under Format, click Crop and focus on the area with the simple background. Then select the lower part of Crop, Aspect Ratio, and 16:9. Make the image fill the entire slide, filling 100% of the space you've got. Click Insert, Text Box, and type in your title. The font I am using here is Roboto Thin. Check it out and install it through a link in the description. Make the title white so it's more visible, and make it a lot larger, but not enormous. Place it wherever it fits you. Next, I'm going to iconarchive.com. It's an awesome website for icons of any kind. After typing sun, I'm going to pick this black lined one. Pick your icons based on your presentation. Paste the icon onto your slide and make it smaller so other icons fit too. Under Format, click Corrections, Picture Correction Options, and then set the contrast to minimum. Then click Color and pick the one you like the most. I'm going with white. Do the same thing for all of your icons until they're all lined up. Play with their positioning until they seem good. Move everything around so it naturally appeals to you. When you're finished, click on the title and under Animations, select a simple one like Fade. In the animation pane, we can already see the box with the animation. Double-click it and adjust the duration and delay just how you like it. I made all of my animations to start after previous, so they look like this. But there's also another way how to display information. Create a new slide and paste the exact same image in the same position. Under Transitions, click Fade. Then, we're going to type in short bullet points in Roboto Light. Move it around, make it larger or smaller, and I'll make it white. Under Animations, click Add Animation and Fade. We don't want them to appear all at once, so double-click the animation, select Text Animation, and group text by first level paragraphs. The bullet points will now go one by one. Remember to click on the bottom arrows and set each of those bullet points to start after previous, so you don't have to click each time. On a new slide, paste another image and the same title used in slide number 1. Under Transitions, click Fade. Then go to Effect Options and select Through Black. Type in the title of your slide, and this time we're trying to display our facts as a graph. Click Insert, Chart, and pick a chart that fits your presentation theme. Type all of your data to Excel. I don't have a lot of numbers, so I'll just type 18.4 renewable and 80.6 non-renewable. It's already mentioned in my initial paragraph. Now, this is a total mess. Most of the time, we don't need as much precision as PowerPoint offers us, so I'm just going to delete everything except the graph itself. Again, play with the positioning until you're satisfied. Click on the individual color blocks and under Format, click Shape Fill and pick a color that somehow resembles the category, like green for renewable energy. Click on Shape Fill again, More Fill Colors, and in the window, make the color around 15% transparent so it isn't too vivid. Now, repeat the whole process with every of your blocks. Just make sure the colors are noticeably different from each other. After you're finished, just insert another text box and manually type in the legend. This will give you more control over their animations. Move the words around and maybe make them a bit darker so they don't draw away attention. One more time, animate everything including the graph itself and make everything start after previous to add a bit of automatization. And after all that hard work, this is your result. A beautiful and clean presentation which is easy to make and enhances the overall experience.